What's poppin'? It's your girl Santa and I'm back with another hair video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be reviewing this hair that was sent to me by Sogoodhair. I'm not sure the exact details of this hair, but I will leave it down below in the description box. But yeah, it's just a little curly bob lace front wig. I'll show you guys like the inside and the packaging when we get into the video. But yeah, the method I used to install this wig was a glueless install. Let me just show you guys that it's glueless. Look, glueless. I look like freaking. But yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into this video and show you guys how to install this wig gluelessly. Okay, so here I put on a wig cap, and I took my Ruby Kisses powder foundation and I just put it around the hairline and down the middle, because the middle is where my part is going to be. So yeah, I just put it on the front and in the middle. And here I'm just taking some makeup remover cleanser to remove this excess foundation. Okay, so let me show y'all the wig. This is the wig. It came in this box. Ooh, it came in this box. That's glue. It came in this box. It says Sogoodhair on the back. It has hair care tips and information on the back, and they also have all of their contact information. So yeah, and their social medias. And then inside, it came with the wig. It came in a plastic little bag, like always. And it also came with a wig cap. But this is too dark for me, as you can see. And it also came with an elastic band. So you're gonna need an elastic band for your wig so that it can be glueless, because this is what's gonna help it like grip your head. Let me show you the wig. It's just a short curly like wavy bob wig, and it ouch, it has 3 combs in the inside. 1, 2, 3. I don't really use combs in my hair because I wouldn't do it, because they kind of pull your hair out, especially if you have braids in your hair and you like put the comb in it. That's gonna rip your hair out. But yeah, so this was the inside look like. I could turn it inside out. It has a big little flap. It also has a adjustable strap. You take this part off and you can like put it on whatever hook you want. So you take this piece off and put it on the hook to make it smaller. Then you have the clip right here and on the 2 sides. And the parting space is only down the middle. You can only part it down the middle, because you see the size is like 1 inch. So yeah, I also went ahead and I bleached my knots. The bleach actually like got on the hair, because I had to like flip it inside out to bleach it, and I was just being lazy. So I had got bleach a little on the thing, but to fix that you could just put like black dye or rinse on it, but I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to do that. So here I'm just going to try on the wig to see exactly where I should put my elastic band at, and I took the wig off and I did sew the elastic band on off camera. But in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys exactly where I place the elastic band. Okay, I'm back and I sewed the band on it. As you can see, it is sewn on the lace where the hair is, but it's not sewn all the way up where the hairline is, so you don't want to see it. So you want to make sure it's like not all the way to the hairline. So I'm just going to put the wig on. As you can see from like the previous clip, it was like baggy in the front, but now you can see that it's actually secure. It's like snug around the edges or whatever. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting where the air is. Okay, so if you don't want any baby hairs or nothing like that, you just want the quick, easy style, you can go ahead and cut your you cut your extra lace off and you'll be set. It'll be done looking nice. But if you want to do baby hairs, you're gonna want to take your got to be free spray, and this is what I'm about to show you guys. And you want to spread across the hairline so it can like actually hold, but it's not glued down. It's gonna actually hold it. So when you're doing your baby hairs, it don't move. I just feel like I'm getting super tongue twisted. I don't know if it's because it's early in the morning and I'm sleepy. It's not early in the morning. It's about to be noon. Okay, so here I'm spraying the Got to Be Free spray directly on the hairline. You don't want to spray it on the lace, on the extra lace, because you don't want that sticking to your head. So yeah. And then you're just gonna let it dry completely. So now that it is dry, I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut all the extra lace off. So on to some baby hairs. I'm just taking one little piece on each side of my head, and I'm using Got to Be gel to slick down my edges. Okay, so before I pull my wig back to show you guys that it's actually glueless, I'm just going to give you guys a little review on this hair. So, I really like it. I really like how this turned out. If it looks a little humpy, that's because my little bush is just sitting up under it, okay? But it's not going to look like that if you braid your hair down or if you like slick it back here, whatever. But yeah, anyways, this hair looks super cute. It is really thin. They must have sent me like a 150 density and not 180, but it is super thin. But you kind of want your bob to be thin because you don't want it to be like fake and look unrealistic. So it looks pretty realistic. It's cute. I will style this hair, but if I wear it, I feel like it's just gonna look really small. So I'm gonna leave it like that. But yeah, I really like this hair. It looks really good. Like, okay, so I'm gonna pull it back, and it's off. It's like super tight on my head because my elastic band is super tight. But y'all see, it's off. It's not on my head anymore. There's no glue. I'm not gonna pull it back down. I will probably just have to do my baby bangs again. I'll probably just have to fix my baby bangs, my baby hairs. but it goes right back on. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, I'm going to leave all the details down below in the description box. But yeah, this is super cute. I would definitely wear this. And I would definitely start going glueless with my frontals because this is amazing. Like, yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, like I said. Okay, before I go, I was just watching a video, right, that I just recorded. This video that I'm making right now. And I'm just looking at this boy. And it's giving me Humpty Dumpty. So, I really was just being lazy and didn't want to do it. But I need y'all to see. Because I don't need y'all clocking me for my little hump. Okay? So what I'm going to do is take my hair comb. And I'm going to flatten it for you guys. Because I see it. It's really because my bush sitting under it. My bush, it's not my bush. It's not my bush. So let me just comb this right quick. Do they look better? Because it looked the same to me. But do they look better? Let me try a little more. Okay, I feel like this look a little better than before, but it's still super cute. If I was to wear this, I would wear boots, definitely cut it a little more, but it is cut into like where it come like longer in the front. Okay, bye. Shabba.
We stay lit. We stay lit. What's the move? We tryna get lit tonight. Feeling myself, and she feeling me. She tryna get dick tonight. I got a wood full of that kryptonite. I want my dudes, and she with her hoes. We tryna get lit tonight. What's the move? We tryna get lit tonight. Feeling myself, and she feeling me. She tryna get dick tonight. I got a wood full of that kryptonite. I want my dudes, and she with her hoes. We tryna get lit tonight.